Next point is the access method. Next point is the access method. Now first is that what is meaning exactly meaning of access. Access means what exactly? Whenever you just access a particular things like a image, file, or any kind of record in the machines or in the computer, that kind of a process is just like a or accessing. Okay, means whenever you just use a particular file, record, or image in the machines or in the computer, that kind of a process, that kind of a situation is exactly a access. Okay, now here is a file store the information, means in the machines or in the computer there is a number of files are available. Each and every files have some information or data. Okay, means a file are just store the information. Okay, when it is used, this information must be accessed and read into the computer's memory. Means whenever you just use a particular file or access a particular file in the machine, that time that particular files are stored in the machines, and unfortunately that particular files are stored in the computer memory. Means in means directly you just access a particular file from the computer memory like that. Okay, several ways that information in the file can be accessed. Some systems provide only one access method. Means when you just access a particular file, that kind of a number of methods or number of ways are available for accessing the files. Okay, now in the some systems, some machines have some only one access methods are available for accessing the files in the machines. Okay, now here is the first method, like a access method, which is the first method, that is a serial file. Serial file means what exactly? Focus to here. Data oblique information oblique records are collected or gathered in order in which they are arrived. Means here is that serial file means what exactly? when you when the particular record, means like informations or data are gathered or collected. Okay, when the informations or data are insert or enter in the machines, that time they just arrange or just organize in a serial manner. Okay, by which they are arrived. Means is that clear? Means a particular record, particular information just come in the machines, that time they just order in a proper order as like a serial order. Okay, or as like a serial order in which they are arrived. Means as like arrive. Okay, now here is just a simple figure like a variable length records. Some particular files, whenever particular files or records are inserted in the machine, some files are a less size, some files are a maximum size like that. Okay, variable length records. Now here is just advantages regarding the serial file. First advantage is simple organization, means a simple accessing, simple organization, simple order, simple things. Second advantage is store in a prior processing. Okay, means whenever particular records or particular informations are entered in the machines, that time that particular record are properly stored in the machines. Means properly stored in the file. Okay, in the machines. Okay, third point is less complexity, easy access. Means this particular access method is a less complexities, like less sophisticated, and are also easily accessible for us. Now last one is the utilize space. Means this particular method through we just utilize the space in the machines, like in the computer memory. Now some disadvantages regarding the serial file. First one is the more searching. Whenever number of records are come in the machines, okay, that time it is quite possible to search, to just take a more searching time to search a particular record. Okay, next is the records not arranged in order. Sometime in some critical situation, in some sophisticated situations, that time it's quite possible that the particular record are not in a properly orders. Okay, that is a particular disadvantages regarding the serial file. And last one is the access record is a difficult. Access record is a difficult means what exactly? Whenever just assume that whenever number of records, number of files are come in the machines, like in the computer memory, some that particular records are too much or a huge size, and in that condition we cannot easily find a particular record out of all records. Okay, that is the Third, disadvantages regarding a serial file. Okay. Now second method is the sequential access. Sequential access means what exactly? Now focus to here file fixed format is used for records. Okay, means whenever we just use a sequential access, that time that particular files are in a fixed format. Okay, that particular file structure, that particular file format are in a fixed structure, that is exactly a sequential. Okay, now second one is the informations in file process in order one record after other. Okay, means fixed format means what exactly? Whenever particular file is like a fixed structure, like a roll number, name, marks, that is exactly a, this is exactly a fixed format. This particular format is just like a, you can say that a tabular format, like a first row, this is just a column headings. Now here is just a row, number of rows. One particular row is nothing but a, one particular row is nothing but a one particular record. Okay, now one particular row completed, then second record, then third record, then fourth record. That kind of things are available in the sequential access or sequential fixed format. Okay, now suppose that this particular format is available in the machine, that time we just easily access a particular records. Okay, now this kind of situations are occur in the machine. There is some disadvantages and disadvantages, but which are the advantages are easy access next record. Means whenever a particular record or particular informations are just like this format, that time we just easily access a particular record. Okay, now current record we can easily access, the next record, the next record, that kind of things are easily possible or easily accessing by sequential access or by sequential records. Okay, now next advantage is the data organized simple. This is a particular format, that particular format are very easily accessible or simple, easy store on tabs and disks. This particular record or this particular fixed format are easily stored in a disks or tapes. Disks or tapes is nothing but a storage devices like that. Okay, now last one is the automatic backups. Means whenever we just use this particular format or this particular structure regarding a file or regarding a record in the machine, that time we can just take a easily backup. Okay, like automatic backup. Okay, now some disadvantages regarding the sequential format or regarding the sequential access. First one is the wastage memory space. Wastage memory space means whenever we just use this particular format, that time some memory space are wastage. Okay, now next one is the number of queries are accessing records. Number of queries are accessing records means just assume a particular department regarding the use of this particular format, that time roll number, name and marks and like other contact number, address, this kind of records are available. Just assume. Okay, now in that case we just suppose we just want a particular record. Okay, particular record, but where is the particular record? Suppose we just want a particular record, that time we can use a number of queries. Okay, number of queries, that time this is exactly disadvantage. Okay, we cannot easily accessing a particular record in a sequential format. Okay, that time we can use a number of queries, that can we just faces a number of queries. Okay, now last one is the more time consuming space. Okay, this is the last disadvantages regarding a sequential format or sequential access. This is exactly simple explanations regarding a serial file and sequential access. I hope all of you understand. If you any query, any doubt, please ask me by message or call.